I was doing some robotics the other day, building a little robot, very basic stuff just so I can learn the principles, and hooking the robot up to a brain. And the brain of this robot is something like this. It's a Raspberry Pi, a little mini computer. I've got a much smaller one on the robot, but I was having problems getting the robot brain, the Raspberry Pi, and the robot body, the hardware that I've put together, to talk. They were not connecting, and I was going back and forward, having to write out the code, look at the documentation, seeing if I'd spelt something wrong, going through the error messages, and eventually I was like, oh, what am I doing? And I just connected the brain directly using a USB cable, connected it into Claude Code, and said, hey, Claude, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm building, this is what I've done so far, these are the commands I've used, these are the errors I'm getting, what's gone wrong? And Claude Code was like, cool, yep, absolutely, no problem, and then just rewrote what it needed to, got through all the bugs, and then I plugged it back into the robot and it worked immediately. So I got to the end result, which was a working little robot. It drives around and it does its own little things, but I skipped the learning process. I skipped the tiresome process of hitting a wall, getting stuck, working out how to get past that wall, and then learning how to get past that wall next time I hit into it. Instead, I was like, no, I'm going to ignore that. I'm just going to go around it. I'm not going to deal with this at all. I'm going to use artificial intelligence. It solved the problem and I got to the end result quicker.